What's up guys, I hope you guys are doing awesome because I am going to be building an amazing gaming PC ready to serve you some real tasty 1080p gaming. I'm really excited about this build and you're gonna get excited too once I tell you the price. It's 1,02,500 PKR. By the way, you're watching Enigma Inverse, this is Arham and let's move along with the video. Now let's get through the parts real quick. For the processor, we got ourselves a Core i3-10100. It has 4 cores and 8 threads. The base clock is 3.6 GHz and it turbos up to 4.3 GHz. And we bought it for 25,000 PKR. Now the star of our show, the GTX 1060 3GB OC edition by ASUS. Love the aesthetics of the GPU. It has beefy heatsink and dual fans to keep it nice and cool. I wish it had a backplate though, but it doesn't impact our performance, so I think that's okay. And the price is 25,000 PKR. Now for the motherboard, we chose Gigabyte V460M, had everything we needed. 4 RAM slots, 1 NVMe slot, and the price was 16,000 PKR. Now for the RAM, we went with Corsair Vengeance LPX 3200 MHz. Now I know this processor does not need 3200 MHz, but when we were buying this thing, the 2666 and the 3200 MHz had almost same prices, so I bought the faster one. For fast boot ups, we went with the NVMe drive. It's XPG SX6000 Pro 256 gigs. It reads up to 2100 megabytes per second and writes up to 1500 megabytes per second with TBW of 150 TB. And the price is 7500 PKR. Now for power supply, we are using Thermaltake Smart RGB 600 watt unit. Now I know it's an overkill for this kind of rig, but I was not able to find any silver or bronze rating power supplies with lower wattage in the market. My personal choice would be 500 watt 80 plus bronze, but this 600 watt 80 plus white was the best decent option I had at that time. You can always choose your preferred power supplies, but remember, never cheap out on one. Never. As for the case, we chose Thunder Raiden 2 JX88. Yeah, that one, JX88. I really forget that. Now, it packs an amazing set of features. Front mesh panel, check. 240mm radiator support up top, check. Up front, check. Power supply shroud, check. Tinted tempered glass side panel, check. Now it does not come with any fans, so I had to buy these Thunder Air Max 9 ARGB fans. I really love their subtle RGB. It was a pack of 3 with the price tag of 4,000 PKR. Now we have gone through all the parts. Let's build the PC. So the build is complete. I have already installed the OS on the drive. Everything was working perfectly fine. Every component was showing up. Let me show you guys, booting it up. Now, if you want me to create a separate video about what to do after building your PC, let me know down in the comments, and I'll be benchmarking this PC in the next video. So now, do we have a boot? It's working. Wait. Here we are. Now, I hope you liked the video. So if you liked it, hit that like button, and a sub to the channel would be amazing. Waiting for you guys in the next one.